In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lookup function in Microsoft Excel. The lookup function helps you find a value in one column or row and return a related value from another column or row. It's great for quick approximate matches, like converting a score to a grade or matching a price tier, so long as your data is prepared correctly. The most important rule with lookup is that the column or row you search in must be sorted in ascending order. If it isn't, the result can be incorrect because lookup finds the largest value less than or equal to what you're searching for. Start by opening Excel and loading your worksheet. Take a moment to check your data. Identify the column or row you want Excel to search within. This is called the lookup vector, and make sure it's sorted A to Z for text or smallest to largest for numbers or dates. If you need to sort, select that column and apply a standard ascending sort. Consistent data types help, so avoid mixing text and numbers in the same lookup column. Choose the cell where you want the answer to appear and begin typing the formula equal lookup. The general structure is lookup, lookup value, lookup vector, result vector. As you build it, Excel will guide you in the formula bar. For the lookup value, click the single cell that contains what you want to find, maybe a score, an ID, or a threshold. This keeps your formula clean and easy to copy later. Next, select the lookup vector, which is the one column or one row where Excel should search. Don't select an entire table. Choose just that single contiguous column or row. If you plan to fill the formula down or across, press F4 to lock the range with absolute references so the selection doesn't shift. Now select the result vector, which is the column or row that holds the values you want returned. It must be the same size and in the same order as the lookup vector, and it must be aligned, column to column or row to row. If your lookup vector is vertical, your result vector needs to be vertical too. Close the parenthesis and press enter. You should see the corresponding result. Remember, lookup returns an approximate match. If Excel doesn't find an exact value, it returns the result for the largest value that's less than or equal to your lookup value. If you get unexpected results, double check that the lookup vector is sorted ascending, confirm the ranges are the same size, and ensure there are no stray text values in numeric columns. You can now copy the formula down or across to apply it to more rows or columns